Hi guys! Today we are talking about how do you make a real connection with someone. So whether it's somebody new you have just met or you think you are ready and about to meet that special person. Now you're questioning yourself, how do I really connect with people? What questions do I ask? How to not get nervous? How do I answer? What should I say? What should I present myself like? And what are the appropriate things to talk about and how to really make that deep connection. Okay, so let's get to the point. Now here's the thing, having good social skills is a whole skill set by itself, and it is very, very important for all social beings because we are social beings. Okay, we humans, we're all social beings and we need to have social skills. It's one thing to be an introvert, and that's okay, you're allowed to, even I am, believe it or not, but social skills you need at all costs anyway, regardless if you are an extrovert or an introvert. You will have to have skills where you're able to connect with people on a deeper level. And for that reason, you don't even have to be all crazy extroverted, okay? So don't let your personality type stop you, because it has nothing to do with that, as I said. What it has to do with is asking the right questions, letting the person feel heard in your presence, felt safe in your presence, and allow them to be vulnerable in your presence. Now, if you are an Uber girl or let's say a Kareem boy, now here's the thing, what you will do, you will never allow the next person to ever be vulnerable in front of you. Because the thing is, your energy is very closed off and very judgy. And so in your presence, people don't often open up about themselves as much. They try to stay and connect with you on a very surface level. And that is why I have explained the Uber Girl energy in my ebook, that she lives on a very surface level energy. It's a very, very surface level lifestyle. So when she comes to the table, she is not able to let the next person just crack open, because she has that judgy energy. The next person, I mean, come on, people are not stupid. The next person can already tell, okay, this is something I should never say in front of her, and this maybe, okay, yeah, I can, but their guards will be up because you're not very open, okay? Your energy is not very open. In comparison, the rich energy will be there, sat there. She will ask fun questions, she will be fun, she will bring out her personality and shine through. Again, doesn't matter if she's an extrovert or an introvert, right? But her personality will shine through. Her intelligence will come across as kind of sexy, you know, and she will talk and open up, and she will ask the kind of questions which allows the next person to open up and be vulnerable and connect with you on a deeper level. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, now you have the basic set of questions, which is like, okay, what's your age? What do you do? What does your family do? Where do you come from? Blah, blah, blah. You know, like the basic surface level stuff again. Now, deeper questions come next once you get to know each other on the basic level, obviously. Now, here's the deeper questions. Questions like, what was that moment that made you the most happy? Tell me about that. I really want to know. Now you're letting the person really open up about their life experiences, about their stories, about their feelings. They are allowed to be vulnerable in front of you, okay? And this is how somebody connects with you, because this is how they start liking you and loving you. Because why? Because now they can relate with you, okay? Then there's questions like, what was the most embarrassing moment in your life that you had? Or, you know, who do you get along with the most in your family, and why is that? Do you get along well with your mom more, or maybe with your dad more, and why is that? So these are like deeper questions that really allow you to get to know the next person on a deeper level. And because when they're answering that, just the process of answering you that question, that makes them feel connected to you also. You don't even have to do anything, you just ask and you stay silent, but the next person has already begun to feel connected to you. You know, they will have a different kind of feeling towards you now. They are bonding with you, and that builds more trust and respect also. And so I highly encourage you, if you're about to meet someone or you already have, try to connect on a deeper level. Don't just be, you know, I mean, if you're a girl watching, no offense, but
it is what it is.
If you are just a super blondie and you have nothing to offer, nothing to ask, nothing to say, you're just a nice pretty arm candy, then well, then that's all you are. You know, you are easily irreplaceable. And if you're watching this video, I don't want you to be easily replaceable, right? I want you to hold a special place in someone's life. I want you to be that special one that even, let's say, things don't work out, but you're still gonna be someone they respect, trust, and loved, or cherished, or wanted, or they still remember you, if nothing else, you know? So be that special person and try to connect with people on a deeper level. It's not as hard as it seems to. You just need to know the right questions to ask, and also when the next person is asking you questions, answer them too, but in a playful manner. Now, if you are the rich bitch energy watching me, then well, you probably already know playfulness is art, and it's feminine, and it's super important. So don't be rough, don't be boring, don't be a blondie. Just be yourself, bring your best self out there, and you will be able to connect with people on a deeper level and ask super interesting questions. Maybe just write down a list of questions before you even meet that person. And I don't care how you feel about that, but this is just called being prepared to connect with someone, being prepared to allow somebody to enter your life and open up your energy so other people can also feel safe and be able to be vulnerable in front of you, because that is ultimately what makes people connect and bond with one another. I hope this video helped you guys. I also do coaching one-on-one. You can check out my website, which is ladyesha.com, and don't forget to check out the ebook also. It's still at a pre-launch price. By the time you see this video, it's probably going to end and the price is going to double. So this is a good chance. Take advantage. Don't let this go. You need that ebook to learn all about the Uber girls, the Korean boys, and then the rich bitch energy and the rich shark energy, because that's ultimately where you want to get to, because that's where life is easy and magical and abundant and full of love and bliss. Thank you for watching.